So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a duplication of this multi-handout and then synchronize it to the another planner that you're working on. I've designed it so that it will work on one planner at a time. So if we actually go to File and make a copy, and then I will press OK. I can actually just get rid of this now. Right, let me just move this aside. I don't need this. Oh wow, what's going on here? Hold on. Okay, so once you actually make a copy, now I can actually just get the admin tab back out. Now I'm going to get my target spreadsheet and copy the address here. So I've got one here that I would like to do. Make sure it is 2022. We'll copy this address, Control C to copy this address, and then Control Shift V to paste in the value. And once I've done this, this will start to load, and then in a moment it will ask me to allow access. So I'm going to give access to this particular spreadsheet, and now it has loaded a set of names of the different people. So now I can actually start to copy and paste name. I would like to work on the partners, so I'm going to start from number 8 and go down to 27. Select the name here, Control C to copy, and then here Control Shift V to paste, and it's exactly 20 people. And as you have done this, sometimes it takes some time to load, but on this occasion it did not need time to load, which is very nice indeed. As you can see, it's done. And remember, when you are ready to print 20 people's uh, handout, make sure you hide what you don't want to print, which is the admin tab. Press the print button and check. Okay, at the moment it's 2 pages, and I will need to go to the workbook. And if all goes well, it should say 40 up here. And remember to print double-sided. Remember to print double-sided. So I've talked about all of this in my last video, so you can refer to the last video if you wish. That's about it really. Let me pause this and we'll come back when it's loaded. Yes, so after it's loaded, just double check 40 pages. Nice. Remember when you do next, and then just select double-sided. Thank you very much. Oh yes, let me cancel this. Before I go, just remember when you actually Control C, and then just here Control Shift V. Yeah, just make sure you actually get the name of the spreadsheet you're making. That's it really. And if you wanted to make more, just make a copy and then do the process again. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much. Goodbye.